Right, so I also finished to clean the chemistry area. So you can see now this table is squeaky clean, perfectly clean. And I also prepare so that the electronics bench can be built. So this area can be electronics. I prepared a small cordless drill. Proxon is running super butter smooth. The tiny Proxon as well. It needs a bit of oiling. I think it's going to be very useful. The press, so that's going to be also quite useful. And so the electronics area can expand in this whole corner. Okay. There's a lot of screws and hardware to sort, and I think most of it is going to end up in the future tower right here. So that's going to be then built over here. So now we have this gap here. So yeah, getting there. So chemistry needs this one to be cleared, and once that's cleared and the electronics are built, we are going to be in a pretty good place.